Hi everyone. So last weekend, on Sunday in the evening, we decided to go and visit Unity Park here in Enugu because the place they did a little bit of renovation there, changed up some things. It was closed a few months back, but they reopened it again, so we decided to go and visit. So coming into the park, this is the first place you will see. This is the first thing you see coming into the park. There's a walkway to your right, and then this is the one to your right with a whole lot of trees everywhere, and then this one right in the center of the park, and then there's another walkway to your left. So this is the one on the right, that's the one in the center, and that's the one on the left with trees scattered everywhere. I think the name of this tree is whistling pines. I think this is whistling pines. I think they said there are thousands. There are more than 1,000 whistling pine trees in Unity Park Enugu. This place was not a park initially. It was just there with just the trees and grasses growing everywhere. Up until the last administration, the governor decided to turn the place into a park where people can just come and sit down and relax. So once you come in and go through the pathway, the walkway in the center, you find yourself headed straight to the big lion. Like there's a very gigantic lion in the park. I think that is the major what will I call it? That's the major attraction in the park, that very big lion. So by the side, walking down to the other side of the park, you see some cabins scattered around in the park. This particular cabin, a monkey lives there. The name of the monkey is Jerry. I don't know if you can see the monkey. And then trees everywhere, loads and loads and loads of trees, whistling pine trees. It's the same type. All the trees. The amazing thing is that all the trees in this park are the same. These are trees planted many years ago. Then we took another park that led us to another part of the park, towards the back of the park. There's a bridge. There are some small bridges here. They said that sometimes, or maybe during the rainy season when it rains, the ditches, all these ditches, empty ditches here are filled with water. They even have a boat in some of the ditches. It's amazing because there's no river here or lake or anything. So when you come to the park, you see people sitting, relaxing. It's a very cool, chill place where you can just go. Maybe when you need to clear your head, when you need to just reduce a mental stress, you can just go there, sit down and do nothing and just admire nature, breathe in some fresh air, and just relax your mind and clear your head. If looking around, you see a lot of people there sitting on the benches, relaxing, think. Some people come here to just clear their thoughts, to think well, to make plans. Also, there are people who come here for picnics and get together, gathering, birthday parties, small get together or a group outing. People do come here. There are spaces where you can sit and eat your food. I think you can bring your own food as well, but they don't sell anything within the park. They don't sell food. But there's a place where you can rent mats. Let's say you want to do a picnic, you can rent mats from them. You place it on the floor somewhere. The whole place is safe. Nothing to worry about. Put it on the floor, spread your picnic mat and enjoy yourself. Now this is the entrance to the big lion park. There's a lion in the park. So this is the entrance to the big lion. I was asking this guy, he works there, I was asking him if I can come inside, because this lion now, inside this lion, this is not just a sculpture or a work of art. Inside this lion is a hall, it's an event hall. I heard it's a 200 or more capacity, it's a 200 capacity event hall where you can host your events. But then I was wondering how people get inside. So he showed me the door and said I can go upstairs and look around. So I decided to go upstairs. But guess what happened? Just keep watching. I started climbing the stairs. The stairs are so scary and As I kept going higher, the place was becoming dark. I couldn't even see anything. At a point, it was pitch black. I said, no. I couldn't take it again. I said coming downstairs. I said, I'm not going again. I was so scared. I was so scared. I came down again and I told them I'm not going up again. But it's a nice place. The park is very beautiful and calm. There are birds flying around, There are benches where you can sit down under the trees and just relax. Just relax. It's a very good place to go to when you want to, stay away from the hustling and bustling of everyday life. You can just come and spend a few hours here, sit down, take a breather. How do they say it again? Relax, clear your head, and you'll be just fine, So this is towards the back of the park, So this was when we were leaving, I think, when we were coming out. We went, because we came in, we went to the Lion, then we went to the back, the very back of the park, and this is us coming out again. Because I think it was getting late, so we decided to, start going home. If you look at the Lion, the lights around it are on now. And then there are lots of children. I think there was a child's birthday party, children's party that was happening on one corner. That is another cabin over there. The park is beautiful. It's lovely, but it can be better. It can be better. There's room for lots of improvements there. But I heard it's during Christmas that the place looks like. I heard the park looks very beautiful during Christmas because there are lots of lights everywhere. So this is me signing out. I think this is my favorite spot in the park. This walkway at the entrance with the lights around it. I think this is my favorite place in the park. So whenever you are in Enugu, or if you live in Enugu, do well to visit Unity Park, from time to time. You love it.